Welcome to our From Legal to Logical training series. In this video, we're diving into how to use the Bespoke Startup Workshop, or the BSW series, as a structured low barrier entry point to get prospective clients into your advisory practice. It's not about selling, it's about solving. When you walk a client through the BSW, you're identifying gaps, diagnosing needs, and setting the stage for deeper engagement. Let me show you how the BSW creates a consultative path. Each module builds trust and reveals deeper needs that the client has. So it will naturally introduce your other advisory services when you're engaging with the audience inside of the workshops. So let me give you this example. This is one of the handouts from presentation number 1, which there's 3 presentations, 3 mini lessons inside of each workshop. This is workshop number 6, crafting a compelling brand and value proposition. So I'm going to read the scope and you can see what the activity is afterward. Background. Your brand equals the magical impression folks conjure up in their minds about who you are, what you do, why it counts, and how you make them feel. Ask yourself, what would Disney do? Key elements of a compelling brand. To assist you in designing a brand experience, consider the following. Is your brand voice casual or formal? Is it motivational, like Tony Robbins, or tactical, like Tom Cruise in Mission Impossible? What are your values? Put another way, what do you stand for? What's your vibe? Is your brand more modern or classical? Is it luxurious or common? Is it bold or soft-spoken? Is it warm or cold? Serious or quirky? Brands are remembered by emotions, not just facts. In summary, brands are remembered by the emotions they evoke in you, not just the facts you recall about the company or the time you engaged with their products or services. So you can see that this homework activity is it's reiterating what's being taught in the actual workshop so that they get exposed to the content twice. First time in the video when they watch the workshop, if they're watching the videos on YouTube, for instance, and then or at an in-person workshop experience, and then again when they engage with the workbook afterwards. So here's the tasks on page 2 for this specific activity, right? Instructions. Write down 3 words that describe the feel of your brand. Emotion number 1, emotion number 2, emotion number 3. Next, write down 2 values that you want to be known for. For instance, maybe you want to be known for honesty and innovation. So then we have value, number 4, value, number 5. Third, write down 1 emotional result your customers will feel after working with you. For example, I want my customers to feel excited about the future because I'm showing them how to build a sellable business that will give them the time and money freedom to enjoy life to its fullest. And then I end with a tip, right, or a quote. And in this particular case, the Bespoke Startup tip number 6 is, if you can't sketch it on one page, then you don't own the model yet. And lastly, on the final page, we have a little section called Reminders and Notes. And it's just an area for the student, the business owner, to write down any notes they have from the workshop and how it could apply to their business. So this is just one of 3 handouts that get that are given to the student, to the business owner, when they participate in a workshop. You know, each workshop again has 3 different mini lessons, and this is how it comes to life. So I hope you can see the value in that, and how it could be beneficial to you in nurturing your ability to be their business advisor. You're giving so much value here. You're educating them on how to do their business well, and it reinforces and puts it puts you up on as an authority, as a leadership person that can really help guide them in their journey of entrepreneurship. Now you can use the Bespoke Startup Workshop series as a paid offer for like $99 up to $300, or you can offer it to them for free if you want to do that. I have these videos on YouTube for free because I'm trying to build an audience of small business owners and then lead them into a free business diagnostic call and that would lead into my consultative services, whether it be a one-off project or ongoing monthly retainer services. And so I recommend that you either offer it for free like I do, or you can charge from $99 to $300 as a starting point to get them in through all 12 workshops, and then lead to a diagnostic consultation with them, and hopefully that'll turn into some more project-based or ongoing retainer work for you. Once they've completed the workshop, you can put them into an email nurturing sequence where you invite them to a strategy session, and your higher value services will come in. And finally, you want to personalize the BSW series workbook with your contact information and QR codes inside of the workbook so that they can link back to your website and your calendar for scheduling appointments with you, because you can utilize the workbook as a gateway to get them from being a stranger, right? Somebody who's just an observer who's watching you, to actually reaching out to you and engaging with you and taking that next step towards becoming a committed client. I hope this information is valuable to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My email address is john@colemantanner.com, and I'll see you inside of the next video.